So now begins a long, long day. It's pouring out right now. We're here at Universal for Halloween Horror Nights. Doing a little separate vlog. I know we're going to go live in a little bit at 7. It is raining badly. Zort's dressed as Dobby. So he's a house Zort. And we're walking in right now, repping the Pumpkin Lord. Don't know if that's going to rotate on the video or not. So it's going to be a little vlog. I'm going to review each of the houses that I do tonight. I'm not going to start them for a while. Got some battery packs. Got the little camera. Maybe sneak something in. Who knows? But yeah, it's going to be fun. It's been a while. Tom, Zort, the Rogue Attraction. Just saying, hey, what's up? Howdy. It's late, it's dark. Not that bad right now. It was much more crowded earlier. But we're gonna do Stranger Things at least, Exorcist maybe, probably Dueling Dragons tonight. I'll give you a review of each of those houses. Sadly, can't film them. You know how it is. But hey, that's what it is. Alright, some advice for scare zones at night. You kind of want to just keep it recording video and not do photos. The amount of time it's going to take for the photo to come through ain't going to look too good. Now I know maybe it'll be a little bit darker recording the video, but I think you kind of want to have that option. Otherwise you're going to get a blurry photo, and most scare zones you can't really have external lighting on. So you're not going to be able to pop on a light. So you have to plan these things very appropriately and kind of think it through when it gets to being darker here. If you're using your smartphone, you're using the front-facing camera, you have to be very particular. I'm going to see if I can get some of Dr. Facilier. Sorry, Oddfellow, Oldfellow, Oddfellow, whoever it is.
Now what am I to do with this useless piece of soul? Who will take his place? Ah, yes. Your enthusiasm will carry you far. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Oddfellow. I've been watching you. Oh, I can smell your fear from a block away. And you know who I can smell the most?
Libra. Born between September 23rd and October 22nd. Symbol, scales. Ruling planet, Venus. Ruling house, 7th house of partnership. Key traits, romantic, artistic, indecisive, diplomatic.
Now imagine
We're gonna go in and do at least 2 to 3 houses. I don't know what. I know Stranger Things is one of them. I'm gonna see what else I can do. I got some random people jumping behind me. All right, first house, walking into Stranger Things. Oh.
Yeah.
She is the most excited for this.
Yeah.
Beyond belief. Yeah. All right, just finished the Stranger Things house. First house of this HHN season. I have to admit, I am thoroughly pleased with it.
Away, that is a 10 out of 10. It did season 4 the most justice ever.
I will say the timing was really good. We were being put through a good pace, and I think they had the scares
The scare
pretty.
actors were on
Yeah.
point, doing it perfectly, hitting every single mark. Yeah.
I don't think I could say anything wrong about the house. It was really awesome. I have nothing else to compare it to yet, but so far my favorite. All right, so we just got out of the Dueling Dragons house. We did the fire, the red dragon, the Sith. There's two options. You get red or blue. There's two endings, not four. I know some people are speculating, but there are two options. This is the most creative, I think. It's not as good as Stranger Things, but I loved it just because it had Q elements from the ride. All right, so final house of the night. We just did Exorcist, and now we don't have to.
Did this to the little girl.
Pastor Tom.
Looks like a Barbie.
Not wrong. I will say I didn't mind the house; it was good, but now I don't have to see the movie, so I saved myself, $20 by spending almost $1,000. It's awesome. So that's it for today. Little review of a couple of houses, little vlog, extra piece, and it's a confetti hot dog with a bunch of other stuff on it. Don't be afraid to be cool. Bye.